Good morning. Jeffrey Friedman, Senior Commodity Broker with RJO Futures, with morning comments on stock index futures. Well, I always give you the word of the day, and the word of the day is Europe, or better known as ECB, Central Bank, are going to pledge to do whatever they can to help the Europe situation and really bring down Italy and Spain's bond yields, okay? So they're probably, the devil's in the details, but they'll probably be doing some kind of buying of bonds, and that would be their stimulus. But they pledge to do whatever it takes, okay? With that in mind, the stock index futures in America are, well, the S&P's up almost 20 points and really enjoyed it. Global stock markets all over the world really enjoyed that kind of endorsement or pledge to do what they can. Okay, so now let's take a look at some of the other economic news around the world, especially in the United States, to get a kind of a feel of where the stock index futures are and why. First of all, we're about 75% done with earnings. The last 2.5 weeks we've been in earnings. I would have to say that in general it's been kind of a flip of a coin or a mixed bag. They lowered expectations, but we did get a lot of people beating the street. Obviously, Apple did not. We did this week alone pull back in the stock index futures after hitting a double top around the 1375 area September S&P future contract, and then we did pull back to around 22 and 28. Remember the last time I was talking, 28 to 30 must hold. We've always held 1330, 1328. I'll be talking about those numbers in a minute. One other thing to note, let's see about the economic reports that came out today. Initial claims, in my opinion, was slightly bullish. Durable goods, 1.6. We were looking for it to be 0.3. That was a little disappointing. I'd have to say we have kind of a mixed bag. Obviously, our economy is just mulling along, and so no great shake. So when an ECB says they're going to do the pledge, that was very encouraging. Remember, there is chit-chat on the street that Big Ben might be getting closer to some kind of QE3, and the market would really enjoy that as well. Let's take a look real quick at the technicals. Remember, I'm saying that 1330 must hold on a closing basis, but the real number here for the bulls to take command, because we are now in a sideways to lower, okay, versus a sideways or a sideways to higher. For us to change that mechanism on the charts, we need a close over 1355. We got up to around 1357 with the ECB, and now we pulled back a little bit. We're up about 15 points. So we got to watch today's close for swing traders and position traders. Intraday traders, you should be calling me, Jeff Friedman. On the way down, another key number that I want you to look at, or at least jot down, 1316, and then of course 1305. Remember, always give me a call, 800-826-4124. Can help you with any market you want. And remember, one last thing, trading futures or option to futures involves risk of loss. It's not suitable for everyone. Give me a call. Good luck, good trading.